Ayan, are we live? Yeah, I think we are.
We're live right now. Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi po. Very special episode this evening kasi kasama natin ang ilan sa mga top trading coaches ng Pilipinas. Yan, andyan kasama ko ngayon si Coach John Penetrante of Mr. Wise Investor PH and also
Yes.
Francisco of the Holistic Strategy in Trading sa
Hello,
crypto
guys.
Forex.
Yeah.
Forex na ba, di ba? Forex and crypto na or stocks and crypto?
Stocks and crypto and obviously now Forex.
Yun.
Yes.
Kompleto na.
Oh, yes, kumpleto na. Well
Okay,
diversified.
May isang coach pa tayo na guest this evening also who will be talking with us also. Pero he's still on his way, si Coach George Acebal, Z-Freaks, also known as Z-Freaks. He will be on his way. Ayan. So magandang gabi sa inyo, John and Jem.
Good evening,
Good
guys.
evening, guys.
Ayan.
Good evening.
Feeling ko si George nasa honeymoon pa eh. Kaya alam mo niya pag honeymoon, di ba? Parang traffic ng konti, ganyan. No?
Yeah.
Honeymoon stage ba ba?
Grabe talaga yung traffic ngayon. Grabe talaga. Kaya napakaganda nung work from home eh, no?
Yeah, tama. Jem, kamusta dyan sa Luzon? Where are you in Luzon right now?
In Metro Manila, I'm currently living within San Juan area, Metro Manila. Previously in Makati, pero pinarentahan ko kasi yung condo ko doon. So, right now sa San Juan, Metro Manila. So, at least less traffic compare naman sa Makati.
Yes, that's very good then. At
Yeah.
least tayo mga traders work from home, so
Exactly, yes. Oo.
anong sakit sa ulo ang traffic. We'll see you
Yeah.
there this March, first week of March, makikita tayo dyan. But more about that later. This evening is going to be about trading journey ng isang trader, like especially you guys na naging magaling na sa trading. Let's talk about our beginnings, diba? The purpose of
Correct.
this evening is
Yes.
para, most importantly, para matutunan nyo why we started, why we decided to get into trading, and most importantly, ito yung goal namin talaga is to cut your learning curve. Alam nyo naman po na mahirap ang trading. Ako mismo,
Yes.
took around 2 to 3 years para ma-master talaga ang galaw ng markets to learn how to trade. Kasi walang nag-guide sa amin noon, walang nagsasabi sa amin na ganito mga experience mo, ganito ganyan. But with this, hopefully we can your learning curve to a much shorter one para maging magaling na trader kayo. If you have any questions, post it in the comments, especially kung gusto nyo kay Sir Jem ang tanong, direct to Sir John ang tanong, or to me. You can do that in the comments. Don't forget to please share this video, especially sa mga trading groups nyo and to your relatives, para mas marami pa tayong matulungan when it comes to trading, ma-influence natin to this kind of career.
Correct. So don't forget to share this as well. And plansyahin natin, of course, magsasama-sama tayo on March 9. Later, we're gonna talk about that. But maximize this 1 hour na magkakasama kami. So ako from Cebu, Sir Jem from Manila, Sir Lloyd from Danao, Cebu. Si George nasa traffic. Ayun, just got home daw. Got home.
Ayun, yan na.
Saktong-sakto. You can greet while hinintay natin si George. You can greet your viewers here. Jem,
Yes.
kami mga nagko-comment.
Ayun, so hello sa mga viewers ko, subscribers sa YouTube channel ko, member ng CI program, ng The Holistic Strategy in Stock and Crypto Market, and sa mga followers ko sa Investa, and some of my friends and family members. So, hello, thanks for joining us watching our podcast tonight. Daming inputs, daming learnings dito sa podcast na to.
Correct. And our purpose again here, while waiting for George, is to really share the journey namin and how can it help you also your journey for tonight. Ayan. So, logging in na siya. Sir Lloyd, wala daw audio yung YouTube mo.
Yung YouTube ko? Alright, let me just check what the issue is. Bakit
while we're waiting. While nagpapadami pa tayo. Diba? Di tayo mag-start hanggang di umabot na ng 1,000 watching tonight, no?
Wow.
Dapat i-share nila.
Malupit yan, ha?
Dapat 1,000. Kasi, di ba? Tagto 200 dapat tonight. Teka, nakalimutan ko i-share this sa Discord natin, guys. May nag-share na pala. Thank you for the admins who shared
sa akin,
our
okay.
live. Yeah,
Sir Art Santos, I think it's okay now. Hopefully,
okay na.
I'm not really sure. I'm not able to check. I'm trying to simulcast this kasi sa YouTube. Kaso nga lang, baka may nagalaw ako. So,
correct.
Nakakatuwa yung isang nag-comment.
Jem?
Nawala yung audio mo, Sir Jem.
Nawala yung audio mo, Jem. While waiting for Jem, while he's fixing it, Rona, my sirs, ano po ba yung Didikila at Izanagi? Didikila is our copy trading na naka-public na pwede nyo kopyahin po.
Yun.
It's the alternative to Izanagi, since Izanagi is a more conservative one para sa mga naghahanap ng mas aggressive at mas high risk na trading. Didikila is the option. You can send me a message so that I can give you more information about that. Shout out to Orion. Jem is already okay?
Okay na yung mic ko?
Yes.
Loud and clear? Okay. Ayun, share ko lang, no, yung nag-comment doon sa YouTube channel ko. Nakakatuwa eh. Must be on the right track. I'm following all 4. Diba? Nakakatuwa eh. Diba?
Wow.
So, talagang nakakatuwa na tayong 4 pina-follow niya. So, and majority of the viewers, I assume, no? Lalo na yung mga tiga-CI program and the holistic strategy in crypto market. So, majority, pinapalo tayong 4.
And it's here.
Yun na, no?
Oh. Boy. How are you, man?
Hey.
Bro, sigurado ba talagang
Thanks
traffic?
for waiting. Yes, traffic talaga. I'm sorry. It was Galing pa akong Las Piñas tapos here in Pasig. Anyways, glad to be here with you guys.
Yeah. Ay,
Alright.
pwede mo itong
Hello.
i-share din sa diretso sa StreamYard nyo, ha?
Yes, I'm trying for that. And,
Okay.
Para mas
Go tayo
stream mo
dyan.
sa community mo, George.
Sige.
So, baka mabisi saglit si Z-Freaks. Let us know if you're already good to go, George, okay? Ace,
I'm actually good to go na.
Alright, that's good to know. Okay, John.
Yun.
You lead us, man.
Alright. Siyempre, ang mga pag-uusapan na natin ngayon is dapat medyo juicy. Juicy dapat. Kasi siyempre, itong mga taong nasa harapan nyo has been in the industry for how many years already? Let's start with Zem. How many years are you in the industry already when it comes to trade?
More than
Yeah.
10 years na, no? So, nag-start kasi ako actively sharing my, my passion, no, for teaching trading 2015 pa. As early as 2013, no, sa small group, but yung active talaga 2015. But prior to that, obviously, nag-start ako within myself, no. So I started to follow Citrix, no. I started to follow a lot of traders just to make sure na I get all the best practices. So that's how I started from zero base, from being a newbie. So binasa ko rin yung trading ko, dami talagang self-learning and then following the best traders in the Philippines. So more than 10 years and then continuously still a student of the market kasi ang daming nangyari, 'di ba? Pandemic, inflation, kung ano-ano eh. May mga upcoming recession pa, ang dami. So ang dami talagang things we need to learn. Kaya nga na-conceptualize ko rin yung continuous improvement program, yung CI program dahil for me, no, yun ang tingin ko sa pagiging trader, continuous learning kasi the moment na huminto ka mag-aral, no, kakalawangin ka eh. Kakalawangin.
True. So, more than 10 years. Of course,
Yes.
ihuli natin yung pinakamatagal na rin, di ba? Pero ikaw, Sir Lloyd.
Hindi ko na, I prefer not to remember when I started.
Malalaman yung edad mo. Patay.
Kakabuking ka ng edad eh.
Malalaman niyo dito. But yeah, I started at quite a while already. I started with just investing kasi, not really trading. So I don't really count the earlier years as hardcore trading. It just so happened na yung Philippine Stock Exchange kasi from year around 2012 moving forward to 2016, maganda yung dakbo. So I was into investing and it was doing well. So I decided to why not let share to the people kasi when I found out na ang dami pa rin nahihirapan sa PSA, how come my cost averaging is doing well, ganito ganyan. So I tried to start sharing the basics talaga so that they can understand the stock market, yung mga charts, paano ko hinahanap yung mga time to get in. So that's where the position trading also started. And from that point on, medyo naging exciting. I was expecting for the trading channel to boom. And simula no, naging career ko na talaga siya. I delved more into it since may experience na tayo. It was easier back to trade. And then we transitioned to the international markets. After pandemic, medyo bumagsak yung mga stocks. So John and I decided to look into forex, diba? So we transitioned into forex and with the experience na natin sa Philippine Stock Exchange and international market stocks, it was easier for us to meld into forex. So ganun kahaba yung experience na natin.
Grabe, no? So hindi mo na maalala kasi maalala mo di edad mo pag naalala mo pa yung specific.
Yung years na lang, hindi ko na anuin yung...
Yeah, I believe. Of course, the OG. Dapat tanungin natin. Ito pa malupit. Lahat ba kayo guys married? Sir Jem, you're married, right?
Yes, yes. Ayan.
Sigurado ko pinakamatagal natin sa trading industries si Z, di ba? Si George.
Yes, definitely.
Nakakasal lang niya ngayon, di ba? Ikaw si Z.
I just got married December, yeah. So, sa akin naman, my story, thank you so much. December ako December tuloy. Sa trading, I started 2011. Tapos, I remember kasi forums pa nun. And then, it was just really random. I stumbled into it. But it was my brother who introduced to me yung investing, yung trading. And wala pa masyado talagang nagtuturo ng technicals eh. Although meron, pero hindi mo basta-bastang mahanap. Ang mas makikita mo dun is mga newsletters, ano yung buy, ano yung sell, ano yung mga market research nitong mga tao. So, basically, it was just that. That was what I started with, and later on, dun na tayo nakapag-stumble sa mga sino ba tong mga tao dito who are giving information, saan ba nanggaling yung information nila, and then trying to really dig into their minds, paano ba nila nakuha yung system nila, or paano ba nila na-come up tong ganito. And it's interesting kasi dito sa Pilipinas, culture plays a really big part on how people learn. So, in the Philippines, mahilig tayo sa chismis, di ba? Parang, Spanish probably nakuha natin sa kanila. But, when we say chismis, ito yung mga, ano yung stock ni ganito. Hindi talaga siya yung parang, like, I'm gonna research, I'm gonna buy, konting-konti lang talaga yung ganun eh. And so,
Super. Yes.
di ba? Makita mo, konti lang nag-iisip. I'm sorry for the crude words, but that's the reality. People would rather, ano yung magandang i-buy na stock, di ba?
Yeah.
I mean, lahat siguro tayo guilty na nandun eh. Pupunta ka somewhere, Facebook or forums, and then yun yung una mong i-ask. Anyways, after that, lahat naman tayo nagsimula sa PSC. Alam naman natin kung anong mga, kung ano-anong ginagawa doon. And then, later on, we got into different markets, di ba? Halos lahat din kayo, nakita ko din na, uy, sino tong taon to? Kasi, ganun kaliit yung community natin eh, di ba? Parang everybody knows somebody, especially kung nagbibigay kayo ng mga insights. Kasi parang, sino to? Okay. And then, i-check mo din yung track record eh. Maayos ba tong tao na to magbigay? Or like, baka mamaya hanggang hype lang to, di ba? So, we later moved on from PSC, and then later on nag-US stocks, and then you guys nag-focus talaga kayo sa forex. Ako ngayon, nasa crypto talaga ako nakapag-focus, and not really as a momentum trader anymore. Ngayon medyo semi-momentum pa rin ako, but more of trend follower, position trader na ako, more of investor na ako sa crypto. Ayun.
Yeah. So I'll actually bank on that kasi dyan naman yung transition ng tanong ko. Since we're already in different fields, ano ngayon yung favorite asset mo and bakit ka napunta dyan? Like example, let's start with you. Why did you get into NFT and crypto?
Okay. So, magandang story yan kasi I'm quite busy. Nahihirapan ako mag-manage sa time ko. And, as a trader, as a momentum trader, we always say the reason why we got into trading is so that we would have more time, not less of it. Like, ano pa namang dahilan natin kung bakit tayo nag-trade or bakit tayo pumasok sa field, di ba? Parang dumami yung pera natin. I mean, let's not kid ourselves here. And so, but, what does that translate to? Usually, it's time. Usually, it's time for what? Or kung anong gusto mong bilhin. But for me kasi, when I started trading or dabbling into crypto as a trader, it got me to think, ano pa tong mga assets na to, bakit lumilipad siya 5x, 10x, 20x? Usually ganun siya, di ba? In PSC kasi lumipad 50%. Masaya na tayo doon. Ito hindi eh. Yung language dito, iba eh. Di ba? I mean, sa forex, meron din yung 100 pips or 200 pips or ganyan din yung usapan eh. Here in crypto, it's iba. It's like, what 5x were you able to ride? What 10x? What 100x? I'm like, what? Like, you're getting 100x, masaya na ako sa 50%. So that was it. Now, when I got into it, nag-deep dive na ako, what I learned was, oh my gosh, this is such a wonderland of money. And what I mean by that is like, alam natin yung buy and sell, short, long, we know the leverage, all that stuff, right? But here, it's like, there's what you call options, there's what you call launch pads or ICOs, IDOs, and then later on DeFi. DeFi, that's the thing.
Lumalim na.
Yun talaga yung parang napasold out ako because, when it comes to trading, kailangan mo siyang bantayan, di ba? So, you have to watch it, and then, okay, umabot pa siya sa support ko, umabot pa siya sa, resistance, sell na ba ako, or should I still hold? It's still the same concept when it comes to crypto, but what if I told you, even if you don't watch it all the time, you can make money while waiting? So it's like, here are these assets that pay you to hold them. You can't do that with stocks. You have to wait, let's say, every quarter, probably, if magbibigay sila ng dividends, di ba? Meron tayong mga dividend plays na kung tinatawag.
Yeah.
Why not have a asset like crypto, and you can either lend them out, you get interest for lending your crypto out, you can put it into DeFi, and then, liquidity mine, and then you get all these other things na hindi mo basta-bastang nakukuha na, just holding a stock. That's it. I mean, sometimes nakapag-leverage tayo sa stocks, right? What happens?
Correct.
We incur fees dahil naka-leverage tayo doon. What if, you're
Overnight.
lending? Ngayon, kung sino man yung on the other side of the trade, sila yung nagbabayad sa'yo. So I'm like, ito pala yung what's happening behind the curtain. Here's what's happening. Nagbabayad ako ng interest, kanino? So, yun pala sila. They're the other side of the curtain na, ito pala sila. And we can be that. Akala ko kailangan mo ng malaking capital. You can be your own broker. You can be, these are the things that got me into crypto.
Sa sobrang
It's
dami
like,
na
you just
amazing
sit
na.
talking to you. Yeah. And ako mismo, nakikita ko na parang, oh man, I like this. I like this. I can actively trade and make 50,000 in a day if I wanted to in crypto. But what if I just sit and I just relax, and if I decide to trade and have 50K, I can do that. But if I decide not to and still earn 50K, I can still do that. So there's the passive and active aspect of it. So that's what got me into crypto.
Ayan. Thank you for that.
How about si Jem? He was focused onto crypto also. What got you into crypto?
For me, more on diversified, no? Merong stocks, not into so much like Ciprix na talagang hardcore sa crypto, but I'm well diversified, no? I have stocks, I have crypto, and personally kasi I'm entrepreneur, so I have my own firm, no, accountancy firm, which I'm working with my wife. I'm also into real estate. So for me, siguro ang best description sa akin is that multiple source of income, but more on passionately active in trading. In that sense, na why I'm into trading, because of the satisfaction of making your money work for you in a passive and active manner. Kasi tayo naman, ang trading naman kasi not totally passive yan, di ba? Tatrabahuhin mo yan, di ba? You have to research, you have to execute the plan, and you have to stick to it, no? So for me, it's more on a balance. Parang sa akin, more on additional source of capital appreciation, additional source of income, and at the same time, passionately sharing what I love to do. No, kaya nga ako may sarili kong program which I started 2018. Kasi yung more on talent ko is more on, aside from trading, no, is teaching people how did I do this, kasi I'm a CPA by profession, di ba, and auditor as well. So kanya-kanya tayo ng kanya-kanya tayo ng specialization, kanya-kanya tayo ng parang natural na talent. Sa akin yung pagiging auditor ko, nagamit ko talaga sa trading yung due diligence, yung analyze ng chart, yung disclosure. So combination of all na for me, na-share ko yon since 2015 pa sa Investa, tapos sa CI program. So, na applicable naman doon sa katulad ko rin na may ginagawang iba, hindi lang trading. Correct. So, kasi ang hirap pagka wala kang system in place na sustainable, tapos gagawin mo to through simultaneous sa business mo, hindi ka magiging successful So, ang system para talaga mag-work siya through to the period of years para maging consistent yung output mo. Kailangan, parang business yan For me, tinitignan ko rin kasi ang trading as business. Being an entrepreneur, ang approach ko sa trading, parang business. May internal control in place, may mga lahat, no? Bawat step, mayroon talagang mga safeguards.
Nice. So, Sir Lloyd, ikaw na tanong ako sa'yo. I also see you post in dividend stocks, no? Tapos right now, you're bombarded in forex. So, ano ito yung mga favorite mo and you think that you're gonna go sustainable on the specific asset?
Yeah. The reason why talaga naka-focus ako sa forex was it was the pandemic Pandemic really changed a lot of things to us, especially as traders. Tayo dati naka-focus tayo sa stocks, Philippine stocks and international stocks. But during the pandemic, it changed the playing field sa trading we really wanted to look into pandemic proof na investments. Kasi karamihan ng mga businessmen hinahanap is pandemic proof na business. Here, since we're traders, hinahanap natin is pandemic proof na market.
Correct.
And forex proved to be one of the most resilient, hindi naman sa resilient but balance naapektahan pa rin yung mga economics sa a certain economy na apektahan, pero meron siyang opposite kasi. So if one goes down, something goes up all the time. So
Correct.
kahit anong mangyari, may opportunity. That's the reason why I majorly went into forex. I also had NFTs. I also went into NFTs and dividend investing. Pero pinaka-paborito ko pa rin is forex kasi mas consistent siya for someone na if you look for something na dito mo na kukunin yung monthly mo na expenses, we found out that forex is the most consistent one. And that's what we loved about forex. Kaya sa forex talaga ako nag-focus.
Nice. All right, so
Yeah.
let's dig into trading. So alam na natin ngayon, ako din ako sasagot, kaya ako na lang magiging host niyo for tonight. Okay.
Kasi press naman kami ni Jad ng takbo lagi. So basically, ako na yung
Alright. Diba? Okay. Ako na lang magiging host nyo. Kayo na lang itatanungin ko. Oh.
Sige,
ba?
ayos yan.
Kasama ba dito love life o trading lang? Joke lang. Alright. Since we're already in different industries, syempre, our audience cannot relate on the assets that they're trading. No? What was that Mamba mentality na meron kayo to focus on the right mindset for them to become successful trader?
Yes. Kasi sa trading kasi, ang daming nagfe-fail di ba?
Correct.
So you need a
Majority, di ba? Ano yung
Yeah.
Mamba mentality nito? Let's start with you, Sir Lloyd.
Yeah. Siguro sabihin ko na lang is, sa trading, naging resilient na lang ako because I've failed so many times, di ba? Ang kagandahan lang sa forex is controlled mo yung failures mo. If you don't really go big, if you're wise enough not to put everything in, and whenever you fail, the lessons are and the pain is not that strong para ma-deter ka or matakot ka na, di ba? So I really did expect for me to fail in the beginning. Yun lang, pinaka-importante is I did not expect na magiging malaki kaagad ang kita ko. I did not expect na magiging mayaman agad ako pagpasok ko sa stocks. I really expected that this will bite me back. So because of that, I made sure na when it bites back, it's not gonna be painful. So ginawa ko is I started small, and then as I got wiser, more confident in my skills, doon ko na pinalakihan. And
Binomba mo na after.
that's basically my biggest experience, how I was able to survive whenever the market punches back. pag sumusuntok yung market sa'yo. So I just made sure na pag sumuntok siya, hindi ako masasaktan. So I started small.
Yeah. How about you, Z? Kasi di ba right now, kanina you're talking about ang daming pwedeng asset na mag 100x, 10x. If you're gonna advise our audience na in terms of investing to some of this or some of that, how would you advise them to become like sustainable investing when it comes to crypto? Yeah,
That's a very tricky question. Akala ko same tayo with Sir Lloyd.
Trading. Sige, trading.
Iba din, sige. Sige, kasi dalawa yung sagot ko dyan Doon sa, okay, so the mindset is first, actually dalawa dapat, hindi isa yung answer ko Yung when you were asking about the Mamba mentality, ano yung talagang, if I ask traders or if I tell traders, ano yung magiging, push mo to success? There's two. Number one is vision. And when you say vision, it has to be connected with purpose and also, kasi kung wala kang purpose, right, why are you doing this in the first place? Pagka, let's say, you lose some amount of money, baka mamaya wala ka ng gana, di ba? And then it's supposed to be tied with direction. And when I say direction, kailangan hindi siya yung direction kasi maraming parang two direction din to. Kumbaga ang sinasabi ko when it comes to direction is you have to have the right direction. Kasi a lot of people maganda yung vision mo pero yung direction mo going there mali. paano kung mismatch yun sa gusto mong gawin, tas iba pala yung direction mo, akala mo doon ka papunta, di ba? Kahit anong effort mo, mali yung direction mo, it's not gonna get you anywhere. So that's first, which is vision. The second naman is grit. So grit basically just means you need to persevere. You need to understand that when you get into this market, hindi ka, as what Sir Lloyd said, hindi ka nandito para kumita agad. Yung trabaho mo as a trader, you need to make sure that you trade well, not make more money. Okay? Kasi if yung isip mo is hindi, dapat marami na akong pera agad, or like kailangan kumita ako ng malaki, paano kung kumita ka pero mali yung paraan ng pag-trade mo? 'Di ba? You were just lucky. You thought na tama yung way na pag-trade mo pero hindi pala. And when the bear market comes, where usually dyan lumalabas yung totoong sino yung okay talaga na trader, or yan talaga yung kumbaga yan yung testing phase ng pagiging trader. So if you don't go through that, I tell you, you need to go through that. And that is your test. Hindi yung parang, hindi dapat po dumaan sa ganyan. Dapat talaga dumaan ka sa ganyan para ramdam mo kung alam mo ba talaga yung pinasok mo, at do you really have what it takes? And that's where grit comes in, na day in, day out, even if you don't feel like it, you have to do it, right? Because if you base your decision on a feeling, then what if you don't have the feelings anymore? Right? You have to be committed to it. So, yun ang dapat. So, those two. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Para lang. That thought, man, when you said na di ka mawawalan ka ng gana when you lose money, that's what I mentioned na that's the painful part of trading, right? So, if you lose a lot of money, it's going to be very painful, and if you don't have the grit or masyadong malaki yung losses mo, matatakot
Bibigay ka.
Bibigay ka.
Yes, bibigay ka. Bibigay ka.
So, ayun. To answer your recent question, John, I think
actually,
the best answer for that.
In-relate. Sige, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah. It's yung kay strategy ni Sir Jem, which is diversification. Kasi in crypto, if you don't diversify, patay ka. Alright? Hindi ka pwede mag-all in kahit na this is such a, Bitcoin to 100x or what. Like, you have to diversify because you never know which one. I mean, it's even in the Bible, right? In Ecclesiastes, put diversify, basically. That's what it said. And kasi you don't know what life would bring. And hindi mo rin alam, baka mamayang isa dyan bagger, yung hawak-hawak mo pala is the next 100x or the next 1000x. And nangyayari yun sa crypto. So, you know, when we say in trading na kahit isang panalo mo lang as a trend follower, in trading, it will make up for all the losses plus may sukli ka pa. Now imagine that principle in crypto, it's magnified sometimes 100-fold. So you have to really diversify. Basically, that's it.
Nice. You talk about diversification and purpose, no? Let's throw the same question to Sir Jem. With all of this thing, how do you, since you're doing real estate, you're doing
dami.
crypto and PSE,
And,
tapos you've even told
may hinahandle pa akong sariling team.
di ba? So it's hard. So how do you teach your followers to become successful just like your own passion na ginagawa mo to every day?
Yeah.
Go.
For me siguro ito, no, kasi ang maganda sa atin, no, especially with Ciprix, nakita na natin ilang taon na yung dumaan, nandyan pa rin siya. Just like many of us here, 'di ba, na through the years nandito pa rin tayo. For me, no, ang pinaka mentality ko para maging tumagal ka sa anumang endeavor yung gagawin natin sa buhay is you really have to love what you do and to look at trading as like doing business or treat it as a profession.
Yeah.
Kasi for me, doon nag-umpisa rin naman yung parang for me, from nobody, doon ako nag-umpisa as somebody, even since college, so tinignan ko yung sarili ko. Ano ba yung gusto ko talagang mangyari sa buhay ko? So doon nag-start, kaya ako naging accountancy student, naging CPA, naging executive sa kumpanya. So yung ganong value na doing what you love to do and pursuing something that just like a profession and as an entrepreneur, ganun ko in-approach yung trading. That's why even more than 10 years na-sustain ko siya despite of the ups and downs. Hindi biro. For me, siguro yung na-encounter ko sa trading mas worse pa sa na-encounter ko in the past sa corporate experience ko. Siguro just for the audience sake, no, yung trading kasi kung hindi mo siya talaga gusto from the start, katulad nung sinabi ni Sir Lloyd kanina, isang lugi lang o one time big loss lang kung hindi mo talaga gusto bibigay ka. Maraming ganyan, di ba, yung napomo lang. So for me, ang advice ko is you really have to really love what you do. Kung trading talaga yung gusto mo, make sure talagang yan yung gusto mo, and once na inumpisahan mo yan, hindi mo yan talaga iiwan kahit anong mangyari. Parang you have to commit yourself, lifetime commitment eh.
Yeah.
Kasi yung attitude, character, madidevelop along the way. Kasi pagka ikaw, once you give up on something, magiging character mo na yan. So sa trading, yung mga gustong mag-umpisa sa inyo dyan, once na sinubukan nyo to, make sure talagang i-commit nyo yung sarili nyo, no matter what. Kaya from the very start, umpisahan mo siya in a nice, in a right way, no? For example, being a profession, paano ba ginagawa yan? Dapat mag-aral ka, dapat may training ka. Sa trading, di ba, ang nangyayari, walang background, kahit sa technicals, fundamentals, walang experience, walang training, bigla na lang i-execute dahil na FOMO. So, kaya maraming nagfe-fail eh. Pero kung i-approach mo yung trading being a professional din, professional trader din, or being an entrepreneur na gusto maging successful, you really have to do the right thing. So, kaya nga tayo may ini-introduce na training, di ba? Continuous improvement, and then yung mga ganitong session for every traders, aspiring traders to do the same thing na ito, continuous learning. We are all forever student of the market. Even myself, no? Ang advantage lang sa atin mga mentor is nakita natin yung psychology ng mga estudyante natin. And in that way, mas nag-grow tayo kasi mas nababasa natin yung psychology ng market dahil pare-pareho eh, di ba? Hindi nagbabago yung napomo, hirap mag-execute, paano ba, ba't ba ganito yung ganito, bakit ba napomo? So, ako, ang dami ko na naging estudyante. So, yung experience ko is a combination of my personal experience sa market and personal observation ko doon sa psychology ng mga estudyante ko through the years. So talagang sa akin, for me, it's like doing business or at the same time doing something na you need to be professional in that particular aspect. So talagang yung level nito iba eh. Kasi pera ang pinag-uusapan. Imagine if you don't love what you do and you don't treat it as a profession or doing doing business, so you will bound to fail. So para sa akin, yun yung mentality ko ever since. And I keep on growing Kung mapapansin nyo hindi lang ako nag-stick sa PSE. So in-embrace ko yung crypto. No, nag-umpisa ako nung talagang dami na talagang opportunity ng 2021. And then this time forex, 'di ba? So parang sa akin, grab the opportunity and then learn to do it later. But as far as opportunity is concerned, pinag-aaralan ko rin kung may potential. So talagang for me, I do not stick myself to a single opportunity. Kasi ang mindset ko, parang kailangan mag-grow ako eh. 5 to 10 years ago, or 5 to 10 years from now, sino ako? Kailangan may gawin akong bago lagi. Or kung ano man yung ginagawa ko na maganda ngayon at nag-produce sa akin ng magandang return, i-continue ko, i-improve ko yun. Parang yun yung isa ding mentality ko na dapat I need to continuously grow. I need to surround myself with the successful people around me or even more successful para mas marami akong matutunan. So that's why we're here. Kasi ako gusto ko rin matuto sa inyo and at the same time sa mga audience natin. So it's a two-way process for me.
Yeah. So I think, Sir Lloyd, excuse me to this. So I think nakita kong common to all what you have said is the purpose, the profit, and the process. Would you agree, guys? Kasi majority na pumapasok sa trading, investing, is they're aiming for profits eh.
Yeah.
Right? They're aiming for profit. So, how do you suggest them, no, to all your mentality mindset na dapat wag mo muna i-aim yung profits. Aim mo muna yung process. They're after the reward eh. So, how do you how do you convince them na you're already 10 years, 15 years, no, you've experienced everything. Do not focus on the profits. Hanapin mo muna yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
What sentence or what experience would you tell our audience tonight to focus on the process for longevity over profits? Let's start with you, Z.
For me, when it comes to these things, I always tell people experiment. Okay, experiment, but before you experiment, when we were talking about vision, alamin mo ano ba yung goals mo. Sometimes kasi people kind of like skip this part of the questioning. 'Di ba minsan sa CAIF, right, yung customer account information form, they ask ano ba yung goals mo? What is your investment goals? Speculation, long-term investment, capital preservation, growth. So that is actually something na minsan a lot of people don't take time to understand or chew on. So what do I mean? If you are, let's say, actually I'm supposed to be writing about this as well. If you're young, you can risk. May nagbabak sa'yo, hindi ka naman breadwinner, right? And then you're hungry to make something on the side. Then ano yung goal mo? Usually palaki ng pera eh. Hindi ka naman capital preservation. You can risk, walang problema, hindi ka naman mamamatay pag nawalan ka ng pera eh, di ba? But what if, for example, you're, let's say, 40 to 60-year-old, you wanna diversify, pero gusto mo capital preservation kasi hindi ka naman gaanong, wala ka naman masyadong appetite for risk, or you could also be the person who would like to risk kasi wala ka namang mga dependents, right? Parang, sige, I'm free, I can try to risk because I have this extra money on the side. So, ano yung goal mo? And from there, ano ba yung next is, ano ba yung process or ano ba yung style na mag-fit para sa akin? So, from there, doon mo malalaman, okay, so if I were to be a swing trader or if I were to be a momentum trader or scalper, halimbawa sa mga gustong nakatutok lagi, kumikita ng profits, what then will my process look like? And usually, you would get the answer. The fastest way is to look online, find people who are doing that style that you are looking at, and then ask them, ano ba yung process mo? Paano ka ba umabot sa ganyan? Ano ba yung system mo? And then from there, ask them, how does your day look like? Ano yung daily habits mo? Ganyan. And then from there, compare ka syempre, kasi hindi naman pwede only 2 or 3, doon ka na, tapos yun na yung gagawin mong truth, di ba? You have to see, ano ba yung pinaka-match na lifestyle na gusto mo? Gusto ko yung ganitong lifestyle. Gusto ko yung lifestyle na, like for example, person A, na halimbawa, pagkatapos niya mag-trade ng PSE, relax na lang siya, right? Ganun na lang. Paano kung gusto mo yung lifestyle ng isang tao na, for example, gusto ko maging, let's say, scalper, no? Na parang, gusto ko, okay, hindi ako kasi busy yung schedule ko. Pag nasa market ako, halimbawa, nakaupo na ako sa laptop ko, meron na akong siguro mga 30 minutes para mag-trade. Ano kaya yung pwede, di ba? Hindi ka naman pwedeng, kung gusto mo, trading, edi, maging scalper ka, pero make sure na yung parameters mo pasok. So, hanap ka ng ganong klaseng tao na may ganong lifestyle. Paano naman kung halimbawa, gusto mo, chill ka lang, di ba? Gusto mo, wala akong oras din sa lahat ng yan kasi busy talaga ako, may business ako on the side and ayoko namang i-risk lahat, pero gusto ko ng magandang income. So, look for trend followers, look for position traders, look for people who knows how to read the trend, and then basically, ayun na, di ba? The problem kasi, a lot of people, for example, go to, let's say, Facebook, go to TikTok, YouTube, and then they would look at the trader waving the money in front of their face, and then gusto mo ba kumita ng ganito yung like, man, pag inisip ko like, di ba, ang classic usually these are people who are selling you these things, probably they're making money. Okay, I can't really judge, that's their marketing strategy, but for me kasi, you're just looking at one, most likely it's scalping. And not everyone is for scalping. Scalping is like this super minority. And here is the other range na most likely dun ka mag-fit. So, people are kind of like saying, hindi scam yan. Walang nagiging profitable dahil itong mga tao to. But because ang na-advertise ngayon is the hardest style of trading. I mean, trading basically in itself is the hardest. And dun sa yun, yung pinaka-focus is yung pinaka-mahirap pa. Di ba? So, correct. Just find ano pa talaga yung available na options kasi hindi lang naman isang option yung pwede sa'yo. There's so many ways to make money here in trading, investing. Kailangan mo lang hanapin kung asan yung para sa'yo. Hindi ka ma-stress.
Exactly.
Buti nga yung scam na nila strategy. Yung iba, scam talaga, investment. Paborito nga ni Sir Lloyd i-post yung mga yan eh. Diba? So,
Kaya
diba?
nga
Like, how can I
Mainit
make...
ang ulo ko doon. Ang
Oo,
dami
diba?
pumapasok sa scam, tapos tayo maayos na ayaw pumasok sa atin.
Maraming scam ngayon.
Yeah, diba? Ikaw, Sir Lloyd, what are your take on that? Like, they really focus on the profits. But
Yeah.
actually, I like also what Jem said eh. Kay Z said eh, no? Na experiment. Now, experiment in a way na paano mo naman to ma-augment, Sir Lloyd, na focus on your destination pagdating sa trading.
Yeah, okay. Siguro, initially yung tanong was, what is the line that you want to say to really convince people to do it properly, di ba? So, yun, the biggest line, sasabihin ko sa inyo po, if your biggest purpose in getting into trading, especially po nagsa-start ka pa lang, is making money, especially when you're starting, you're bound to fail. Yun po yun. That's the reality of it. If your initial purpose is to earn money, you're bound to fail. Very strong example, i-relate ko na kina Zifrix tsaka kay Jem. NFTs, Axie Infinity, ang daming Pilipino pumasok sa Axie, nag-invest because their purpose was to earn money. It's not about the game, to have fun, etc. The purpose was to earn money. Now ngayon, during the rough patch, naging bearish, lumiit yung value ng SLP, ng AXS, yung game mismo, lumiit ang value. Ayaw na ng mga tao kasi wala ng pera and it failed and so many people failed. So that's the strongest example there. Your initial purpose when you start into trading talaga should be knowledge. I tell you the truth, man. The next 2 years, yan, I will set your expectations properly. The next 2 years of your life, if you want to start into trading, if it will be shorter, then good kasi may mga guides na ngayon. But yeah, the next 2 years will be about learning how to trade, and it will not be about profits. The next 2 years, money, profits, it's just a byproduct of your knowledge. It will just automatically come if as long ma-master mo na lahat, matutunan mo na lahat, the news and everything, the technical analysis, everything will just fall into place and you'll be surprised. Money will always follow. But to set your expectation properly, the next 1 to 2 years is going to be about learning. So hindi po dapat pera ang initial mo na motivation or iniisip mo when it comes to getting into trading.
Yeah. So, Sir Jem, yan, gusto nga nila, kaya nga sila pumasok kasi na-hype na nagpo-post ng profits. Tapos sabihin natin sila, focus on the process. How do we balance these things on social media?
For me, siguro, be realistic, di ba, na hindi siya ganun kadali. Kumbaga parang, again, balik tayo doon sa basic. Yung pagyaman, hindi siya ganun kadali. The more na minamadali mo yan, the more ka magiging susceptible into a major mistake. Look what happened during 2020. Nung nagbagsakan lahat ng stocks, no? Nung nagdiparan sila dito, lahat, di ba? Lahat na FOMO nung nagte-trending na, nung pinagkakaguluhan na. So, again, pag hindi ka prepared sa industry na to at emotion lang yung pinapairal mo, you are bound to fail. Kasi pag emotion yung pinapairal, di ba? Parang nagiging greedy tayo. Gusto natin kumita agad. Pero yung the process of making money in stock and crypto and other markets really take years. Parang titignan mo nga siya as business eh. So, the reason why most traders fail in the onset is because of their emotions. Because of too much greed and too much fear. Bakit? Ang inuna kasi ito eh. 'Di ba? Ang inuna kasi yung puso, ang inuuna dapat ito eh. Dapat pag-aralan mo 'yan eh. Pag hindi mo pinag-aralan 'yan, hindi mo ginawa yung tamang proseso, hindi ka naging prepared sa opportunity na pwedeng dumating, you will not be successful at all. Pwede siguro machachambahan mo, no? Pero hindi advisable 'yan kasi hindi mo maduduplicate yung success eh. Para kang tumaya sa loto, nanalo ka sa loto, feeling mo ba pag tumaya ka mananalo ka ulit? Parang it's by chance, no? We are not suggesting that to everybody. We are after the sustainability and longevity. Kaya nga we are all here eh. No, even after 10 years back, nandito pa tayo. Kung hindi tayo nagtagal, let's say after 1 year, 2 years, nawala na si ganito, definitely masasabi mo na hindi talaga sustainable yung system nitong ni ganito. Or baka hindi niya na-maintain because eto dinidisregard ko yung full-time trader. Kung hindi ka talaga sobrang professional, don't stick to trading alone. Kasi going back to basic, di ba? Hindi ganun kadaling yumaman. At
Yes.
again, sino ba yung talagang mayayaman? They have multiple sources of income.
True.
Kasi kaya as far as I'm concerned, I'm encouraging everyone to have multiple sources of income. Diversification is the key. Katulad nga sabi ni Lloyd kanina, 2 years, hindi ka pa pwedeng kumita dito or worse, baka after 5 years ka pa kumita. So kung sa trading ka lang nagre-rely, tingin mo sustainable yun? Magugutom at magugutom ka. Yung ibang nag-resign, bumabalik ulit sa corporate. Kasi kala nila, pag nag-resign sila, full-time trader na sila. After a few months, naghanap ulit ng trabaho. So see, dapat, yes, real talk yan eh. Diba? Kasi ako, speaking based on my experience eh. Kailangan handa ka sa life-changing event, sa life-changing major decision ng buhay mo. So kung pagdidesisyonan mo lang yan, kasi may nabasa ka sa Facebook, eto, million-million ang kinikita dahil kumita sa Bitcoin, hindi ganun kadali kasi yung tao na yun na kumita ng ganun kalaki. No, kung legit man, taon ang pinagdaanan niyan. Para sa akin nga, ito mas tahimik, mas legit eh. 'Di ba? So kung sino pa yung maingay, siya pa yung scammer eh. Tapos dapat yan ilang taon na nandyan sa industry, hindi yung sumulpot na lang ng bull market. Dapat bear or bull market nandyan yan. At meron na talagang track record. No? So doon mo makikita, again, kung meron kayong ipapollow sa Facebook, yung talagang nakita nyo talaga na legit, yung talagang nakita nyo ilang taon na nandyan. And again, yung sinasama ng legit din yan. Hindi naman yan makikipag-collab sa mga scammer din. Kaya nga, di ba guys, nandito tayo. Before I accepted your offer dyan, di ba, sabi ko, okay, mga legitimate tong tao to, seasoned traders, Ciprix, Lloyd, John, so, di ba? So, yan yun eh. Yan yung team, kaya tayo nabuo ng ganito. And sa mga nanonood sa atin, guys, eto no, hindi ganun kadali umaman, so you have to stick to the process of becoming a self-made millionaire or even billionaire kung kaya niyong ma-reach yung status na yon.
Imagine nyo guys, sorry to cut you off, Sir Jem, since you're already on that momentum ng sinasabi mo about who's gonna follow. Imagine nyo, bibigyan natin sila ng libreng seminar na nandiyan kayo lahat.
Mismo.
The question is right now, why would they attend this seminar na tayo magkakasama? Anong tingin mo? Let's start with you. Why?
Yeah. Sa akin?
Ikaw muna.
Okay, sa akin.
Bakit attend ng seminar na ganito?
Bakit
na yung
attend?
Siya lang yung kalbo. Joke lang.
Ito, going back na lang dun sa newbie days ko, no? Yung katulad nga na-mention ni Ciprix kanina, no? Na talagang duduguin ka eh. Kung sa paghahanap ng mga mentor noon, ang hirap sa akin nga noon eh, nasigawan pa ako o parang na-downgrade yung pagkatao ko. Kasi ang hirap talaga, wala pang mga FB Reels, wala pang TikTok, noong mga way back 2013, 2000, wala. Ngayon, ito, open. Kumbaga parang tayo na ba yung nakikiusap na umattend kayo ng ganitong seminar. Tayo na yung nagkakaroon ng initiative and free. No? For me, bakit kailangan umattend? Kasi balikan nyo yung mga time na newbie kami. No? Yung pinaghirapan namin, pinagdaanan namin, hirap bago namin narating kung ano man kami. And ito yung ino-offer naming opportunity sa inyong lahat. Face-to-face ha. Although meron tayong Zoom one-on-one. Para sa akin, ilagay niyo yung sarili niyo sa sarili namin noon. Kaya kami naging ganito because of our determination to learn. And all the things that we experience and we already learn, you will take advantage of it on March 9. Yung learning curve na tinatawag, di ba? Yes. Yung mga experience natin, yung mga worst, dos natin, yung tipong suicidal na nga na tinatawag, merong ganun eh. Imagine, nalagpasan natin yung naging resilient tayo through the years. Yun ang isi-share natin sa kanila. And I mean, for me, more than enough reason para umatin. Kung ako, lalagay ko yung sarili ko, newbie ako ngayon, ha? Yeah. Hindi ko papakawalan yung opportunity na yan. Kumbaga para sa akin, wow, face-to-face. Samantalang noon, newbie ako, halos magmakaawa na ako, matuto lang kay ganito. Keso bumayad ng 10,000 per 1 hour na discussion. Ngayon, chance na, di ba? Chance na ng mga newbie to or mga followers or viewers natin na umatin ng ganitong seminar na. Again, ang ganda ng topic, mastering money. From different types of trading style and mentors, ha, na ilang taon na sa industry. Hindi lang basta sumulpot ng bull market.
Yes. Yeah. Ikaw, Sir Lloyd, why do they need to see you live there? Instead na magpa-picture lang sa'yo, alam ko kasi ikaw magiging na dyan.
Ako po.
May iba yung purpose din. Ikaw yung profit.
Para makita nyo ng personal yung isa sa mga pinakamayaman namin, si Jem Francisco.
Ay, hindi. Si Ciprix yun.
Si Ciprix yun.
Si
Wow.
Ciprix yun.
Yung
Oo,
mga
si Ciprix.
linyahan ni George kanina. Gusto ko 50K. Kikita ko 50K.
Oo, tinanong ko 50K.
Pero
Go.
siguro,
Go.
yes. Tayo dati kasi walang choice eh. Sobra kasing ngayon, sinabi ni Jem, halos magmakaawa na tayo na mag-join kayo, kami natutulong sa'yo, libre lang.
Oo.
Diba?
Mm-mm.
Dati
Grabe.
tayo, we had no choice really before, right? Wala pang demo trading nga doon eh, di ba? Kahit demo trading lang kung saan mapag-practicean yung fake na money, play money sa real market. Dati, pinagpa-practicean natin, totoong pera pa talaga. So,
True.
madugo mag-aral ng trading. No?
Totoo. Sobra.
Ngayon, meron pa nga dyan, nagpapabayad, ganito, ganyan. Okay lang naman magpabayad, huwag naman sa kamahalan, ganito, ganyan. Pero yes, right now, it's already free. We're already sharing it for free for everyone. Kasi alam po namin yung feeling talaga ng newbie na nangangapa pa sa dilim. Okay?
Yeah.
So, the purpose of this really is we want to teach you and guide you properly. Right? We've worked so much for how many years? Si Zfrix, si Jem, si Coach John, ako. We've worked so many years to build up our names para at least kung naghahanap kayo ng coach na tutulong sa inyo, merong may mga credibility na coach na pwede niyong lapitan. And we've worked so hard for the names that you're seeing on the screen right now. And para madala namin kayo sa tama. Right? Dati walang ganito na mga seminars, mga libro, pahirapan maghanap kasi ang mamahal. Ngayon, dito na siya. I'm not really sure ano pa excuse mo bakit ayaw mo mag-join. But yeah, it's free. Merong pwede nyo makita in person. Mas maganda yon kasi you can talk to us directly. We're open to that. Meron tayong mga Q&A directly. Pero kung hindi kayo makapunta, is andun pa rin naman yung Zoom natin. Right? You can watch the event through Zoom. So we're doing our best to really make it available sa lahat ng mga Pilipino para mas marami pa tayong matulungan. Right?
How about you, Sir Z? Since parang feeling ko ano naman yung sinabi nila, let's talk about what you're gonna talk about on your day, like on your topic. Yan. Para
gusto ko mag-add dun sa last question. Actually,
sige, go.
Gusto ko kasi ibang perspective kasi sabi nila lahat free eh. My perspective dito, hindi ako nandito para sa free eh. Kumbaga, nandito tayo lahat content creators, we all have our own talent fees, right? Or tuition fee, kumbaga. So, sa akin, for those of you who don't know, meron akong annual bashing na binabash ako every year dati na 300k, ang mahal ng ZFT maningil, ganyan. Sa inyo, I don't know how much yung magkano yung fee niyo, but sa akin, personally, if you want to get mentored by me, it's 300,000 per student yan. Alright, tapos tuturuan ko kayo 3 months or probably 4 months to a year.
Tagal naman. So, I think that's worth it.
Oh, sa akin, ganun siya eh. Hindi ko alam sa inyo, but sa akin kasi, I'm here for the discussions na hindi mo nakukuha online. And, kumbaga, I get to have all your time, and since lahat tayo nag-agree na free to, edi sa akin, I'm like, okay, free consultation, I get to pick your brains, kung ano yung mga pwedeng i-diversify, ano yung mga products. I mean, I'm investing into this bot, right? Which is, you guys are the brains of it, and I'm just an investor. So like, ano yung mga alam ninyo na hindi ko alam? Because if ever I have extra money, which I probably will have soon, then mag-i-invest ako dyan. Kasi ayoko naman, like, you know, as what Sir Jem has been mentioning, diversify ka. Ano ba talaga yung totoong mayaman, right? Yun yung mga multiple sources of income.
Right.
So, to me, I'm not a forex trader. You guys are the forex traders. And I'm just gonna be here diversifying as what I have done 2 years ago with you guys. And gusto ko makita ano pang mga products meron dyan. And I'm here for the discussions na hindi basta-bastang, you know, you tell online na open, na nasa screenshot. So, I'm for that.
Yes.
So, hindi ko alam kung ano sa inyo, kung ano yung dahilan nyo, kung bakit ganyan. But that's my mindset in going things. It's more of network. Kasi your network is your network. Who do you hang out with? Then I would know.
Super agree.
O hindi.
Yes. Super agree. And
Sorry, Sir Jem. Go ahead. Sige, go
Super
ulit.
agree. Kasi ganito yan eh. Ang mindset kasi talaga ng mayaman, lalong magpapayaman yan eh. Ang gagawin, ito nga yung magandang concept eh. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. So for example, you guys are already forex expert and in-automate nyo pa. So ako, gusto kong mag-diversify. I want to increase my source of passive income eh. So nung tinignan ko dyan yung performance, alam mo yung hingi ko yung FX book, di ba? Nung nag-due diligence ako. No question asked. Simple as that. Nakita ko na yung reliability ng system and obviously continuous due diligence. The reason why I'm also this part of this team is networking. Agree with Ciprix that your net worth is your network is your network.
Yeah.
No? So being surrounded by amazing people, seasoned traders like you guys, no? For me mas magi-increase pa yung network ko eh. No, yung network and net worth accordingly. Bakit? Additional knowledge, I will leverage your skills and at the same time you'll also learn from me. So win-win to eh. Sabi nga is competition only happens at the bottom eh. Pero yung collaboration happens at the top. So ito yung ginagawa natin, nagko-collaborate tayo because we have a deeper sense of purpose eh. Not just only to become more wealthy but to become more value to other people eh. Yung value added, kaya nga tayo nagkaroon ng ganitong session on March 9. Imagine yung decades of experience on March 9, matututunan nila. Yung all the pains, all the struggle, all the major success and heartbreak, lahat yan. No? On one day.
One day, yeah. I would like to echo lang dun sa sinabi ni Z, di ba? Na imagine guys, a person like Z, a person like Sir Lloyd, a person like Sir Jem, no? We have like different fields or different expertise. Pupunta doon, one is magtuturo. Pangalawa, guys, to be there to learn. Tapos ikaw, you're gonna take this for granted. That's my point eh.
Exactly. Oh, yeah.
Right? Kasi, nevertheless, parang people, example, like sinabi ni Z, this is free. I am asked here to be paid. But I'm since everyone is agreeing to be free, pupunta ako. If free na lang.
Yes.
Right? Kasi minsan, pag yung free tinitake for granted, it's because it's what you actually ask is the value of it. Eh ngayon, binilagyan natin libre, so dapat parang wala na tong kwenta. But look at you guys. I would like to honor you guys na you accepted this, na we're gonna give this for free, despite you are, earning millions a month. Right? So, on last segment, let's talk about yung mga itatopic nyo na bakit sila pupunta on your segment. As quick as 2 minutes. Let's start with you, Sir Lloyd. Why are you talking about AI? Go.
Before that, sige, I really love that kasi yon, sinabi rin ni Zivix kanina, we want to learn to diversify, di ba? Ako mismo, we're very focused on forex and PSE. Cifrix expertise is into NFTs, di ba? I've been into NFTs before. It was a 50-50 na investment. May kumita, may bumagsak. I'm open to NFTs pa rin. This time, Zifrix is gonna be there. So I'm gonna be learning a lot from him also. So, di ba, sarap mag-join pag ganyan. So, anyways, pag-usapan natin, what I'm gonna be talking about is AI trading, automated trading, EA trading, whatever you want to call it. It's more about automated trading na lang talaga. The future of fund management, right? Nahandahan ng napapalitan ang mga karamihan ng mga ginagawa ng mga tao sa businesses, even kahit sa trabaho, napapalitan na ng AI. And reality of it is, AI is also getting into trading. And if you're going to resist that, you're still going to be earning in trading, pero you're not taking advantage of its power. So why not take advantage na gusto mo mag-trade manually and take advantage of AI trading also. So andyan po yan, and I'm gonna be explaining to you how powerful it is. Hopefully I can open your mind na to look into this opportunity, diversify into this, at least test it out. So, yun po yung i-present ko on this seminar in March 9.
How about you, Z? Bakit naisip mo, what is your trading style?
Yeah, I think it's very important kasi for one to know ano yung mga different na trading styles. Kasi if you don't know kung ano ba talaga yung end goal mo, especially kung ano yung personality mo, mahihirapan ka to find that direction. So, yun nga, sinabi ko dun sa dalawa, no? Direction, or sorry, vision, and also
And purpose.
purpose, or sorry, and also grit. So, kung wala ka nito, tapos mali yung direction mo, wala ka, di ba? So, this is basically it. What are the different kinds of trading style? Ano ba yung para sa'yo? And, nothing's wrong with anyone whenever they come into the market. Sometimes kasi they feel like, I feel hindi to para sa akin. Baka mamaya hindi mo lang nakita kung ano yung style na para sa'yo. Kaya ka ganyan mag-isip, di ba? I mean, here's something that I shared dun sa isang FX con. Try to cross your arms like how you do it.
Mhm.
Can you cross your arms, everyone? Especially people who are
Paano?
listening right now.
Hindi na nakikita eh.
Then,
Cross your arms like this, like
nakaganyan,
this.
no? Yeah, cross your arms. Sige, cross your arms. Your natural
Like this.
crossing your arms, right? Alright, so
Okay.
this is your natural, right? Try to do it the other way around. Try to do it the other way around.
Okay.
Sige.
Ito.
Subukan nyo. How does it feel?
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable.
Oh, yeah.
Parang
Uncomfortable.
uncomfortable,
Not the-
correct?
Weird.
So, exactly.
Yeah.
Weird. And so, it's kind of like some people kasi they don't understand. Weird until they feel it. And they
Yeah.
don't know na parang, yan pala yung tama kasi it feels natural. People are operating in the weird, that's why they lose a lot. And so, we're trying to get that, finding what is natural to you, and dun ka
Right.
mag-focus.
Yan. Nice. How about you, Sir Jem? 2 minutes. 1 minute.
Okay. Yeah, on March 9, can you show yung yung
Of course. Yan. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yon.
yung the stealth-based trading strategy. So in layman's term, ito yung parang ideal for position traders like me na maraming ginagawa sa buhay, no? Hindi kailangang bantayan, and at the same time offering the ideal maximum potential reward while the downside risk is already minimal. So dito sa strategy na to na ini-implement ko ng matagal na panahon na, no, parang hindi mo kailangan, kumbaga parang yung chance of incurring a lot of profits in the eventual future, kung magmamaterialize yung plano, is really high compared to the potential downside risk, because yung stealth-based strategy, kung consider niya yung long consolidation in particular and a lot of things na kinukonsider ko when I discuss it on March 9 para mas ma-appreciate nyo, which this strategy is applicable to both stocks and crypto as well. Na kung kayo, no, marami kayong ginagawa sa buhay, you're doing business on the side, you are doing other things, no, aside from being a trader, this strategy is for you. No, even if you are a trader, no, kung position trader ka, ma-appreciate mo yung i-share ko sa March 9 kasi yung mga unique trading tool, buying signal, etc., ma-appreciate nyo na, which I myself, no, ini-implement ko na yan for so many years now.
Nice. No, so yun na, ano lang yan pahapyaw. So if you're watching tonight, like 300 of our audience, if you appreciate three of this, I mean all of these guys, can you type 1,000 on the chat box just to give appreciation to what they're talking, or what they have shared with us tonight, yan guys. So since it's already time, ang last ko na lang ngayon, last advice yun sa mga viewers natin tonight when it comes to pursuing trading, pursuing investing. Last advice in just one sentence. Go. I'll start with Sir Lloyd. Sir Lloyd, go.
Siguro last advice ko for everyone is, andito ni, pinaka-advice ko lang, sinasabi sa lahat is, please follow the right people. Right? When you follow the right people, in line sa sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, do not make money your guide. Okay? Hindi po pera ang guide. Right? Dapat na fina-follow niyo yung tao kasi malaki ang kita niya dito, or malaki pinapakita niyang kita. It should not be that, right? Follow the right person. Make sure they are real in their purpose. Anong purpose nila? They are credible. If you follow the right people, go into the right community when it comes to trading, sobrang dadali ang trading journey ninyo. it will cut your learning curve by a lot of percentage, which is hindi siya available sa amin noon. So hopefully we can invite you to follow us. Tignan niyo po yung mga pinopost namin, what we are sharing, so that hopefully we can also help you make your trading journey, which is our purpose this evening, trading journey magiging mas madali. And
Yan. Thank you,
that's it.
Sir Lloyd. How about you, Sir Z? Boss Z.
Right.
Last piece of vibes.
Yeah, for me, just really continue the journey. Have yung mga pinag-usapan namin dito, right? Like, you need to understand your purpose, why you're here, why you're trading in the first place, what are your whys, what's motivating you to do this.
Yeah.
And also have grit, because without grit, halimbawa, when the hard times comes, and it will come, at least you develop some of that level, so that pagka dumating yun, you're gonna stay strong. So yeah, and lastly pala, put yourself into a community as well, kasi mahirap yung solo trader. You can do it, walang problema, pero I tell you, it's easier when you have other people who have the same mindset as you. You get to talk to a same trader as you about these things, especially pagka nagkaroon ng mga losses. Mas madaling makipag-usap sa mga tao na alam yung feeling na nawalan ka ng 50k, 100k, 250k in a day, and they don't feel like nagyayabang ka. They know the pain as well, so it's again like, yeah, it's okay,
Yeah.
patuloy tayo.
Totoo. Doon na papasok yung grit. Gano'n ka kalakas maging resilience. Yeah. All right, Sir Jem. Ikaw.
Okay, siguro sa akin, for me, trading is a life-changing event, no, for me. And being a trader, no, is a life-changing event for my life. That's why I'm inviting everyone to follow the same footstep, no? Kasi for me, yung trading in comparison sa ibang profession, particularly me, I'm an accountant, no? For me, very rewarding because of the challenges of the character building. Kumbaga parang byproduct na nga lang, katulad nung sinabi ni Coach Lloyd kanina, byproduct na nga lang yung kumita ka sa dulo eventually. But the person you became or will become once you decide to become a trader, no, will be the best thing that can happen to anyone. Yung character building, yung pagiging resilient. Why? Kasi magagamit mo rin sa ibang aspect ng buhay mo eh. Yung pagiging resilient nga lang, di ba? Ang pinakamahirap talaga sa lahat, malugi ka eh. Pero pag nalagpasan mo yung malugi ka ng milyon, tapos resilient, at nakabangon ka, palagay ko pag may nangyaring matindi sa buhay mo, let's say sa negosyo, nalugi ka, makakabangon ka. Bakit? Na-train ka na as a trader na how to become resilient and how to bounce back from what happened. So for me, more than the profit itself, it's more on the character and the person you become after being a successful trader. So wag na wag talaga yung papakawalan yung opportunity na totoo on March 9.
Nice.
Ikaw, Jazz. Ikaw, message mo.
Actually, nakafocus ako sa mga tanong eh. I'm really amazed with the answer. Seeking your purpose in this field. Kasi mabu-burnout ka eh.
Yes.
Pag nakapano ka lang sa pera, imagine mo, win or lose. Di ka naman always on the win side. But without that purpose, sabi nga ni Z, sabi nyo nga, no, without that process, hindi, you're really bound to fail. So, that purpose, makikita mo yan, sabi nga, no, look for a community. Kasi makikita mo iba-ibang purpose ng tao, may iba't ibang emotion. So, seek that person. You cannot serve two masters. No? That's biblical. So, that's why, more into that, iano ko muna kayo. Sa March 9, kita-kita tayo doon. I think mas marami tayo pwede pag-usapan dito. On our panel discussion, no, on that March 9, guys. So grab it. Thank you so much, Sir George, Z, Sir Jem, Sir Lloyd, for this invitation. Are we gonna continue doing this? Can I have a thumbs up? Yes. Ulit natin to. May dalawa pa tayo, di ba? Para sa kanila. Alright, so see you in our next Trading Journey podcast. Kami daw. Yan. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great evening. Salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. I think because may live pa yung iba sa atin. That's why you're saving time for that. Bye!
Yeah. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
guys!
Bye, guys!
Bye, everyone.
Bye.